Let's talk about least common multiple. Let me write the whole thing. Least common multiple. So let's start from multiple and then we'll come to common and then we'll understand least backwards. Least common multiple. Okay, now what are multiples? Okay, so let's talk about multiples. Multiples. Okay. Say what are the multiples of 6? Okay, so the multiples of 6 are, so 6 times 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 24, and so on. This goes on and on forever. Now if you take 9, what are the multiples of 9? The multiples of 9 are 9, 12, 9, 18, 27, 36, and so on. This also goes on forever. Okay, now what are the common multiples? So let me write CM in short. The common multiples, so let me underline the common multiples. You have 18 here and you got 18 here. So the common multiples will be 18. What will be the next common multiple? You will have, if you go on, you will have 36 coming somewhere here, and you will have 6 times 6 is 36. So can you see 36 is a multiple, a common multiple? So again, this common multiple also goes on, and if you add 18 to this, so this is 54. Okay, so 54 is a common multiple. So this common multiple also goes on forever. So the least common multiple, which is in short written as LCM, is 18. Okay, so you can say therefore LCM of 6 and 9 is equal to 18 or is 18. So the least common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18. Now, is there a better way or a faster way to find the least common multiple? So let me give you one more example before I show you the method. Say let's take 14 and 21. We want to find the least common multiple of 14 and 21. So let's do the long way. So let's write the multiples of 14. So you have to just start with 14, keep add 14. 14 times 2 is 28. 14 times 3 is plus 14. So 28 plus 10 is 38 plus 4, which is 42. Okay, then which would be you add 14 to this, so 52 plus 4 is 56, and so on. Okay, so which are the multiples of 21? Multiples of 21 are 21, then you have 42. If you add 21 to this, how much will you get? 60, 63, am I right? Yeah, if you add 21, so that is 83 plus 1, which is 84, and so on. So which is the CM, common multiple, is 20. This is the common multiple. The first common multiple is 42. So this will be 42. Common multiples will be the multiple of the least common multiple. So plus 42 is 84, and so on. This will go on forever. So the least common multiple is equal to 42. So the least common multiple is 42. So let's look at a faster way to do this. So let me erase this. Okay, so how can we do? Suppose let's take first, we started with 6 and 9. So 6 and 9, we want to find the least common multiple in a faster way. Okay, so let's write 6 as a prime factor. The prime factors, if you factorize this, this is 2 times 3. And the common multiple, sorry, the prime factors of 9 is 3 times 3, or this is called the prime factorization. So the least common multiple is basically you write both these multiples, that is 2 times 3, and this has already come here, so you don't have to write this 3, but you have to write this 3. So times 3, which is 18. So this is how you can directly write. There is also one other way, but I think this is enough. Okay, so let's take 14 and 21. So you have to just do the prime factorization. So 14 is 2 times 7. These 2 and 7 are called the prime factors. And 21 is 3 times 7. So let's circle the common factors. So the LCM, the least common multiple, is write both of these, that is 2 times 7, and then you write only the one that is not taken from this, that is times 3, which is 14 times 3, which is 42. Now let's do an application of least common multiple. So this is one example that I have found from one book. One lighthouse flashes every 6 seconds. So these are two, so this say flashes every 6 seconds. Another lighthouse flashes every 14 seconds. This flashes every 14 seconds. They have both just flash at the same time. How many seconds will it take for them to both flash again at the same time? Okay, so here this flashes every 6 seconds, so it flashes in 6 seconds, then 6 times 6 is 12, then the 18 second, and so on. And this will flash in the 14 second, then 28 and 42, and so on. So basically this is a question of least common multiple. So this is the application. So basically the question is, what is the least common multiple of 6 and 14? So as we know the faster way of doing it, so let's write this in the prime factor. So this is 2 times 3, and 14 is 2 times 7. So first find the common factors, so you don't have to write that twice. So you can say LCM would be, you write 2 times 3, both the prime factors of the first number, and then from the next number you write only the number which has not been repeated, so times 7, which is 42. And it does make sense. So this is, so let's check this. So this is 6 times 1 is 6, 12, 18, 6 times 4 is 24, then 6 times 5 is 30, 36, and 42. Can you see 42 is the least common multiple?